This is a final video to fix having no audio after installing or updating your NVIDIA drivers, because you deserve a PC that sounds as good as it looks. Are you facing a frustrating silence where your speakers or headphones stop working the moment you finish your graphics update? This annoying problem occurs because the NVIDIA installer automatically sets your monitor as a default playback device, even if it has no speakers. Most guides on YouTube tell you to reinstall your entire Windows system or delete every single driver, which is a giant waste of time and usually makes things more confusing. Here at Rexish, we know you just want your sound back immediately without any technical headaches. I have a secret easy trick that involves a quick trip to your sound control panel to disable the NVIDIA high-definition audio device and force Windows back to your real speakers. This simple change tells your computer to ignore the graphics card for sound and use your actual headset or desktop speakers instead. It only takes a few seconds and works perfectly every time the NVIDIA app tries to hijack your audio settings. Rexish is all about finding these quick shortcuts so you can get back to your games and movies with crystal clear sound. This fix is permanent and prevents the error from happening again the next time you update your graphics card. Once you flip this hidden switch, your audio will return instantly, and your volume bar will finally move again. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly which playback device to click and how to lock in your settings, just leave a comment below.